Ever get that gut feeling like you're meant to do something bigger? Like you were born to build something of your own and not follow someone else's script? What if we told you there was a way to launch a remote business from home so fast and so streamlined, it almost feels like you're cheating the system? In this video, we're breaking it all down, step by step, from choosing your idea to branding to using AI to explode your growth. No fluff, no BS, just the exact roadmap we wish we had. And trust us, do not click away before the end, because we're revealing a game-changing bonus strategy that turns your audience into buyers on autopilot, a strategy most coaches guard behind paywalls. Today, we're giving it to you completely free. Hit that follow button and comment below what remote business you're thinking of starting. We personally respond to comments and we love chatting with future digital bosses. Let's start from ground zero. Maybe you have no idea where to begin. That's okay. Here are 4 example business models you can start today. 1. Print on demand. Create t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. You design it once, a supplier prints and ships it for you, 0 inventory. 2. Freelancing. Are you good at writing, designing, editing videos, or doing voiceovers? You can sell those skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 3. Digital product creation. Think templates, ebooks, checklists, mini courses. You create them once and sell them over and over again on platforms like Etsy or Beacons. 4. Faceless marketing. Sell products or affiliate offers without ever showing your face, using Reels, Pinterest, or TikTok to promote your products. To brainstorm what type of business you'd want to start, open a Google Doc or Word doc and write down what skills or interests you already have. We'll use us as an example. Circle the one that lights you up the most. That's your starting point. You might be thinking, but I don't have a skill. Yes, you do, or you can learn one fast. AI makes this easier than ever, and we'll show you how. Now, let's talk about 2 terms you need to know: niche and target market. So what is a niche? It's your category or focus area. Here are some examples: moms who want to meal prep, college students who want to budget, or people with back pain who want relief. So what is a target market? That's the group of people your business is here to help. Here is the 3-part niche drill you can use to define your niche. Start by writing these down. Number 1, I want to help specific person. Number 2, solve specific problem. Number 3, using the method or solution you provide. So for us, it would be that we want to help shy individuals start their online business using digital products and affiliate marketing. Here's another example. I want to help busy moms stop stressing about dinner using printable meal planners. The more specific, the better. You may feel like you're not expert enough. Truth is, you only need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. That's it. Now on to branding. Branding can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Logos, colors, vibe. That's it for now. Here's a quick Canva shortcut to get you started on branding. Go to Canva, use a free logo template, change the name and the color, boom, logo done in 10 minutes or less. You're going to want to pick only 2 to 3 brand colors. Search color palette in Canva and decide what matches your brand the best. Pick 1 font for the heading and 1 font for the body text. That's it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be done. AI is your secret weapon to build your business fast. Here are some example prompts that you can use in ChatGPT to help you with your business. For product ideas, give me 10 digital product ideas for busy moms who want to be more organized. For product details, write a product description for a printable meal planner that solves pain point. For social media content, create 5 hook ideas for a TikTok about budgeting for students. For customer help, what are common objections my target audience has around buying a $5 ebook? Tweak these prompts to suit your business. You can use ChatGPT for content, product ideas, email templates, and so much more. Here are 2 example AI tools that you can start to use today. ChatGPT for writing and planning, and Leonardo AI for AI images. Let's keep this simple. Pick one platform to start. Here's a quick breakdown. TikTok is about short and fast videos. Think trends. Instagram is about reels, carousels, and stories. It's so great for branding. Pinterest, it's amazing for promoting digital products and having evergreen content. And YouTube is the best for long form and building trust. You're going to want to optimize your page by following these steps. First, make your username clear and niche related. Second, use a profile picture, and it doesn't have to be your face. Third, you're going to want to add a clear bio, who you help plus what you offer. And finally, link it to your product, store, or freebie. Here are some post ideas to get you started. You can start with explaining your why and showing your journey, or you can go into behind the scenes looks, before and afters, and tips or tutorials. This business model is simple, but that doesn't mean it's easy. You will face doubt. You will question if it's working. You may ask yourself, what if no one buys? What if I mess up? Or what if people judge me? The truth, every successful entrepreneur has felt like that. But we acted anyway. Your first video might suck. Your first post might flop. But your 100th one won't. Stay consistent, show up anyway. You're building something real. Here's the secret strategy we promised at the beginning. The micro freebie funnel. First, create a freebie that your niche would love. Use Canva for this. Next, use Gumroad, Beacons, or StanStore to give this freebie away. Third, you're going to want to capture their emails through this freebie. Fourth, follow up with more emails to promote your products and services. So why this works? It builds trust, it warms up your audience, and it makes selling feel more natural. If you got value from this video, hit that follow button, give this a thumbs up, and comment below what kind of remote business you want to start. We read and respond to every comment, seriously. Do you want a shortcut to your success? Check the link in our description for the ultimate toolkit to Faceless online success. It's filled with digital tools to help you stay organized, inspired, and growing online without ever showing your face. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. See you in the next one.